Land of Dreams.
Take the trip with us
On Radio SI.
This is some Mexican chocolates.
Mexican chocolates.
Yeah, but the special thing is that this is with tequila.
With tequila.
Yeah, this is what I bring usually as a souvenir to the guys. So it's not exactly tequila only, but it's a little bit of chocolate.
Okay, thank you. How many of these can you eat?
But you can eat as much as you can, you know. You will not feel so drunk at the end. Hola, yo soy Cristian Barragán Quintero. Vengo de México, soy mexicano, and most of my life I spent in Guadalajara, the second biggest city in Mexico, and the most Mexican city, as they say.
Why is it the most Mexican?
Because, you know, there are coming the popular things from Mexico, like mariachi, you know, the group of musicians around there is also the tequila producers. It used to have the best football team, but now they are not so good. So yeah, this is Guadalajara. The last years of my life I've been in Slovenia. When you come here and you start living and you try to understand how the people live, then you really see why people don't like to live from Slovenia, you know. It offers you a great quality of life, and I think this is one of the advantages that Slovenia has over many places.
And you found that here.
Yeah, I found that here. I mean, if I look for me, quality of life, what this means? It means that on Friday I can go after job, I can go and play a round of golf with my colleagues. On the weekend you take your bike and you go to the hill of Urban, for example. On Sunday you can go and have an ice cream on the seaside, yeah, on the same weekend. You can go hiking. I go hiking after the office. So I really like sports, and also one thing I really enjoy is the golf. Yeah, I mean, don't tell my coworkers, but on Fridays at 3 p.m. I'm usually on Slatic Ridge in Slovensky Konice, playing golf. Yeah. Probably I will not pick up the phone. My grandfather was a farmer, so on the summers and also during the winter, we used to go to my grandfather and to help working on the farm. So he was raising corn and sugarcane. So we were working on the field, and then later I decided to be a computer science guy to change. Originally, I came through exchange. I studied computer science in Mexico, and I came through the IAESTE program. And then, of course, you know, I had a dream to start one day some business on my own. And like the program is called Lands of Dreams, Slovenia became the land of my dream.
Now we're in your company.
Yeah,
These are your offices?
These are our offices here in Maribor. We have office in Maribor, Ljubljana, and one sales office in Vienna. So Vintegra, very quickly, Vintegra is a IT company. We are an IT company, and we are working for Slovenian, Austrian, and some Croatian companies in the regions. So there are 15 people in the team, and we are now launching a new company in Mexico. So we started the business here, and now we are trying to expand into Mexico. That's the story.
Well, the office is now empty, but I guess during the day it's
usually the guys
busy.
are. Yeah, I'm usually the last one to leave the office. Sometimes I'm also the last one to arrive. But yeah. So in the morning the guys come. You know, some guys come at 7. We are very flexible about that. But yeah, sure, we do some activities. We do always with the colleagues, with the team. Yeah, with the team. This year actually was a special trip. We went a few of us. We went to Triglav. We made it to the top, so I was on Triglav already. And we tried, then of course we have always some end of year, then we like Slovenians, we're also like Mexicans, yeah. You eat a lot and drink a lot, and so we always have some excuse to have some fun.
To have a good time.
Yeah.
So apart from being active in your free time, you also like to listen to music?
Yeah, I'm not particularly knowledgeable in music, but I like, for example, now the last time I pick up some new guy. The name of this guy is Caloncho. This is what I'm having all the time in the car and here in the office. So some people they say, "Hey, come on, can you change that, please?"
Quiero que me rompas el hocico a chupetazos. Quiero que me sometas y amarres de los brazos. Y quiero que me dejes todo el cuerpo hecho pedazos. Y quiero rozarte, acariciarte con mis labios. Inolvidable para siempre, yeah. Nipple contra nipple, o acostados de cuchara, embonados con tu cara. zapato rasgados que son de tu alma la puerta pa' colarme y rascarte la parte de tu cerebro poeta.
You're listening to Land of Dreams this week with Cristian Barragan Quintero, a Mexican in Slovenia.
Y diseño una caricia, suaves trazos.
People are very nice here, and they make you feel welcome here. And the country as such, Slovenia, sometimes people have this issue that it's too small. I think it's great that it's small. You don't have some of the problems of the bigger countries. It has very good infrastructure, highways, it's clean, safe. As I mentioned, there is good food. Yes, it's challenging in terms of economy, but everywhere in Europe there is a challenge now with the economy. In Mexico, we are very warm. People are very open, very warm. We enjoy the life a little bit, maybe a little bit more relaxed than here. But I don't think I will be able to stay here for so long if I will not feel good here, like almost like at home, yeah.
But do you feel like going back sometimes?
Yeah, I think eventually this is now it's your home country, and I think sooner or later you feel home calls you back, and you have the family there, your life was there. But to be honest, now is
So home is calling back?
yeah, a little bit. I was now many times in Mexico City. I was driving with a taxi driver. It was almost 1 hour drive, and the guy said, "Yeah, you know, sir," and we were lucky. It was not so much traffic. 1 hour, and it was only 7 kilometers or 8 kilometers. Most of the day they spent working or at work.
And as you said, only 6 days of holiday per year.
Yeah, officially. So if I will move to work there, I will take my Slovenian contract and take my 25 days of holidays. Yeah, so this also, I think it's a little bit of American influence, this more workaholic culture. But it doesn't mean that you spend more time at work, it doesn't mean that you are more productive. And this I like in Slovenia. And probably in Mexico we sacrifice, or people in general sacrifice more private life for the work. Living abroad, away from home, you appreciate more your home country. So it's also what I tell always Slovenian people and also Mexican guys. Go out and experience some other country, some other culture, and then you see that it's not so bad, you know? And Slovenia is also, people complain a lot, but when you go out and you see other places, then you see, Slovenia is a great place. It's a great place to live, yeah. And with the last time actually that I was in Mexico, I had kind of homesickness for Slovenia. I was surprised. This is my winter activity I have here in the office, some golf balls.
So you're like this big CEO with the golf clubs here in the office, and you're trying to make a putt?
No, I'm passionate about golf, but I'm not the big CEO. You know, I do in the small company. You do everything. So I'm secretary. I'm the director. I make the coffees. You know, I wash the dishes sometimes. So I do everything, and I also do a little bit of golf here in the office. Yeah.
Let's see if you can make a hole in one.
You know, I just came back from Mexico.
Okay, so
Second one. Yeah.
yes.
And they say, Utrete Grerrado, no? They say. Almost. I missed it.
It returns the ball.
Yeah, it does well. So if you made it to the hole, then the ball comes back to you, and you can try again. Yeah. So this is almost another one. What I miss a little bit from Slovenian is sometimes they lack this self-confidence. Not that they are not self-confident, but to tell, you know, how good they are. And sometimes you need to do that. You need to market yourself, believe in yourself that you're good and you are the best, and go and say it loud. And you know, you see other countries or people from other places, they come and they will always tell you, yeah, we are the best. And this is something that Slovenians need to change a little bit. If you don't believe in yourself, who else will?
Well, thank you for showing me around your company. It was nice to meet you.
Yeah, it was a pleasure to have you here, and thank you for the opportunity to speak to your audience, and a big hello. And I invite you all to go to Mexico. It's not dangerous. It's a very nice country. Of course, you have to be careful in some places, yeah, like in Paris or London, yeah. but it's a very nice place to visit. And
Let's go play golf now.
yeah, let's do some golf.
Land of Dreams.
Only on Radio SI.